Let's talk about hiccups. Once as funny, twice as hilarious, and anything more than that is usually just annoying. We've all had them, but do you actually know where they come from?
They're hiccups, and they're the strange little sounds that can escape from your mouth without warning.
Hiccups start much lower in your body, though, in the diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle between your lungs and stomach. Normally, the diaphragm pulls down when you inhale to let air into your lungs, and then relaxes when you exhale so air can flow back out of your lungs to exit your nose and mouth. But if something irritates your diaphragm, it can spasm, forcing you to suddenly suck air into your throat, where it hits your voice box. That makes your vocal cords suddenly close, creating the distinct hic sound.
Hiccups are involuntary and something you can't readily control.
It's thought that a hiccup is a reflex that occurs in the body. Hiccups can happen for a lot of reasons. Some of them are physical and some emotional. That's because the actual irritation happens in the nerve connecting the brain to the diaphragm. Some common causes include eating too much or too quickly, feeling nervous or excited, drinking carbonated beverages or too much alcohol, stress, a sudden change in temperature, swallowing air while sucking on candy or chewing gum. How to get rid of hiccups? Most of the time, hiccups will go away within several minutes. So typically, you don't have to do anything to make them disappear except wait. Sometimes, ignoring hiccups is the best thing you can do. They usually don't last very long and typically go away on their own. However, let's say you have a Zoom presentation to give in 5 minutes, and you'd rather not hiccup between every sentence in front of your colleagues. What can you do to nip them in the bud? Home remedies include
Taking deep, slow breaths.
2. Drinking water or ice water. 3. Gargling. 4. Letting someone or something scare you. 5. Biting into a lemon. 6. Holding your breath for 5-10 seconds. 7. Pulling on your tongue. 8. Blowing up a balloon. 9. Breathing into a paper bag. 10. Sitting down and pulling your knees to your chest for 1 minute. 11. Putting a cold compress on your face.
Now if you like the video, give the thumbs up. And if it is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe my channel.